Fasting is a great way to heal multiple areas of your body, including your eyesight. And this is what has happened to me. In 2020, I started to notice that my vision was changing. And every year since there, my vision has gotten better. And I remember I was about to buy contact lenses, and my inspiration was kind of like my gut feelings were telling me not to, so I didn't buy contacts. And I'm glad I didn't, because my vision has gotten better to the point where I could drive at night. And I just forgot I was driving just a few weeks ago, and it was nighttime, and I was looking around, and I remembered, like, man, I could really see clearly now. And this is due, there's multiple reasons, but I'll say the main reason is from fasting. Because when you fast, it resets your body. It resets your body incrementally as you fast. And as you begin to remove the toxic material from your cells begin to reset. That's why I was noticing that my vision was changing, along with eating good nutrition. So when you fast, you want to break your fast with healthy, nourishing foods. You don't want to eat anything like synthetic or artificial when you fast, after you fast. And then as you do that, your cells will begin to rejuvenate. And along with exercise and coming out here to nature, because when you're in nature, your vision is constantly challenged, because as you see, like, the background, it's like uneven, so your eyes have to like focused. So I think that helped contribute to it, along with fasting and nutrition and exercise. And a great way to start fasting is to extend your fast. So instead of eating breakfast, you want to extend your fast to mid-morning or at lunchtime. And as your body adapts to eating lesser, you want to move to fasting, picking one day out of the week where you can fast 12 to 24 hours for one day out of the week. So the consistent fasting is what helps to heal different areas of your body. And this is what has happened with my eyesight as it begins to get better and better. And so if there's something you want to heal within your body, you can practice fasting as a way. Fasting incrementally to heal different parts of your body. So you want to fast incrementally to adapt. If you were to jump into long fasting, it would probably be very uncomfortable. So you want to adapt your body incrementally to those longer fasting, to the point where you could fast one day out of the week for 12 to 24 hours. And you just do incremental fast up until that point. So that's fasting. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, fasting, the 12 to 24 hour fast is important, because that's when the 24 hours is a minimum to when stem cell production starts to occur. So that's why you want to have at least one day out of the week where you can do those longer fasts. And that's how you can repair different regions, areas of your body through fasting.